Warm up. Write the first letter of each picture to get the names of some keys of a keyboard. A keyboard is an important part of a computer. It has different types of keys. These keys are used to type letters, numbers and special characters. Whatever we type through a keyboard appears on the monitor. A keyboard has three types of keys: alphabet keys, number keys, special character keys. Let us revise about some keys already learnt. Alphabet keys help us in typing alphabets or text. Number keys help us in typing numbers. We can also call them numeric keys. Space bar key is used to give spaces between the text. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. Let us now learn some more keys on a keyboard. Arrow keys. We can use the arrow keys to move the cursor on the screen. There are 4 arrow keys on a keyboard. We use the up arrow key to move the cursor up. We use the down arrow key to move the cursor down. We use the left arrow key to move the cursor to the left. We use the right arrow key to move the cursor to the right. Caps lock key. When we type, words appear in small letters. If you want to type in capital letters, press the caps lock key. Open WordPad and type computer. The text will appear in small letters. Press the caps lock key once. The caps lock key light glows on the keyboard. This shows the caps lock is on. Type computer again. The text will now appear in capital letters. Press the caps lock key once again. The caps lock key light stops glowing. This shows that caps lock key is off. Again, type computer. The text will now appear in small letters. Shift key. The shift key is used along with other keys. There are 2 shift keys present on the keyboard. Both of them have same purpose. Type computer while keeping the shift key pressed. Type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 while keeping the shift key pressed. Press the shift key. Keep the shift key pressed and then type the alphabets keys. The alphabets will appear in capital letters. If you want to type only a few alphabets of a word, sentence in capital letters, use the shift key. But if you want to type the entire word or sentence in capital letters, use caps lock key. Special signs on the keyboard. Keep in mind, the caps lock key is used when we type words or sentences in capital letters. This way, we do not have to keep the shift key pressed when we type. We use the shift key along with an alphabet or letter key when we have to type a few letters in capitals. Home and end keys. Home key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the line, while end key is used to move the cursor to the end of the line. Page up, page down keys. We use these keys to move the page up or down. Num lock key. You can type numbers using the numeric keypad available on the right of the keyboard. To do so, the num lock should turn on. Press the num lock key. If it was off, it will turn on. If it was on, it will turn off. A glowing light above the num lock label indicates that it is on. The keys on the keypad now work as numeric keys. Take a break. Write the output you will see when you press these keys. Backspace key. We use the backspace key to delete characters typed to the left of the cursor. Sanya has typed mother instead of mother. To correct the spelling of mother using the backspace key, follow these steps. Place the cursor after A, mother, R. Press the backspace key, M-O-T-H-R. Type the letter E, M-O-T-H-E-R. The letter A is deleted. Delete key. We use the delete key to delete characters typed to the right of the cursor. A keyboard is an important part of a computer. It has different types of keys. Alphabet keys help us in typing alphabets or text. We can use the arrow keys to move the cursor on the screen. If you want to type in capital letters, press caps lock key. The shift key is used with other keys. Home key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the line. We use the backspace key to delete characters typed to the left of the cursor. We use the delete key to delete characters typed to the right of the cursor.